Hi guys, and welcome back to tutorial number 9 for WinCC Flexible. Had to think about it there for a second. In the last video we covered how to create a lamp and how to have that lamp on and off and how to simulate it. What we're going to quickly look at today, or on this video at least, is internal tags, or tags in general. Tags are the links that we have with the PLC normally, our memory bits, our integers, our data words, etc. And we went through creating symbols or connecting our symbol table when we integrated WinCC into our Step 7 project. And if you take a look on your left hand side here, you'll see tags under communications. And here are the two tags that we'd set up previously. And as you notice, they're connected to our CPU, but you can actually have internal tags, and these are tags that will be stored in the screen and will not be sent as data to the PLC, so therefore the PLC won't react to them in any way at all. But you can set up the WinCC to react to those tags internally. So what we're going to do is going to add a tag. So select the line, add a tag, and it'll default to one previously, and normally adds an underscore to the last tag you had. But we're going to give it a different name. We're going to give it I for internal tag, and we'll call it tag underscore 1. So it's an internal tag underscore 1. When you go to your connection, scroll down and just click internal tag. Okay, that means now that it is not going to communicate this tag, this state of this tag, to the PLC. The data type is a boolean, so we'll leave it at that and save it. Okay, all done. That's your internal tag created. Now what we're going to then do is we're going to go back to our main screen, and we're going to show you how to do a switch by using the internal tag, very similar to how you did the lamp. However, you now need to drag two graphics across onto your screen. Okay, very similar. Select the first graphic, which is going to be our off position. Go to animations and visibility, click the enabled again, select our internal tag, and we want this to be hidden when the flag goes high or when it comes true, because this one needs to be visible later. So click your bit, make sure it's hidden, go to your next graphic, which is here, and you'll notice that it's come, the graphics for this has gone to the same properties as you had before. So again, click your enabled. This one needs to be visible now. We'll use our same internal tag and we'll select the bit. Once we've done that, drag the graphic over the top so that the two become one. We now go back to our runtime system, and there we see just one of the graphics in our off position. So we pull our simulator up. Now remember, we tied the graphic, the internal graphic to, the graphic to an internal tag. So we select our internal tag, we set that to 1, and hey presto, our switch goes. Set it to 0, and again the switch goes off. So we'll close that down. Nope. So there we've created a switch using internal tags. And we show the two graphics one at a time, one in a hidden state and one in a visible state, depending on whether the tag is true or not. You can use the same thing for this graphic here that we did before for the lamp, and we could change that tag and select that to be our internal tag 1. When we run the simulator again, we can pull our screen up, select our internal tag, set it to 1, and now the switch and the lamp goes. Select it to 0 and it goes off again, and the switch goes off. Close that. No, there we go. That's how to set up internal tags and how to use them with regards to the components or the objects that you have on your screen. Hope that's been useful. We'll be going through another object very shortly, but as you can see from the side here, there are many types of switches and it's all the same type. You need, if I want that kind of switch, I need them both, one on top of the other. Set up one for visible and one for invisible. Alright, well I hope that's been useful and we'll see you on the next video.